everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to talk about foundations. Foundation is the base for every makeup look, but with so many kind of foundations which are available right now in the market, how do you know which one is the right for you? In this video we are going to break down all the different kind of foundation formulas which are out there and help you decide which one may be right for you. So without much further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. Let's start with the most popular liquid foundations. This comes in matte, dewy or natural finishes, and the coverage can range from light to full. This one works for almost every skin type. You just have to find the right formula. So whenever you are out to buy liquid foundations, then look out for finish and look out for the coverage. If you want something for everyday, a very natural makeup look, then go for light or light to medium coverage. If you want something for an event or a more full glam makeup look, go for full coverage. If you have oily skin, then go for oil-free or matte foundations. I have one with me which is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation. I have dry skin, so I don't have too many matte foundations, but this one I had used and I liked it a lot and it worked out pretty well for my dry skin as well. So even if you have dry skin, you can try out matte foundations like this one, which was a luminous matte. Although this is quite an old foundation and I don't really know if they sell this anymore. Huda Beauty has been discontinuing a lot of their products, so I'm not sure if they sell this anymore. But if you have oily skin, you have a ton of matte foundations which are available in the market. They will give you a more matte look on the skin. Matte foundations also help to control the oil on the skin, so they are just ideal if you have oily skin type. If you have dry skin and want something dewy for your face, then I have a ton of those kind of foundations and I have some videos on my channel as well. Since I have dry skin, I love these kind of foundations. Today I am wearing one of them. This is the Lancome Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow Foundation. I love this foundation. This is a more medium coverage foundation which is pretty buildable, but it's not a full coverage foundation, but it gives the most stunning glow and a hydrated feel on the skin. Today I'm wearing it. You can see it makes the skin look almost flawless. This is an amazing foundation for dry skin. If you're looking for a new one, I do have a full review video of this one on the channel. There are other foundations like natural finish foundations which are gaining a lot of popularity these days. They can work for almost every skin type. I have quite a lot of natural finish foundations as well. These are not overly matte or overly dewy. They have a nice balance and they give that perfect natural finish to the skin. I have one from House Labs which is one of my favorite natural finish foundations. This is the House Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. This is infused with some skincare benefits as well. It works for sensitive skin too. If you have acne prone skin, this works for that as well. And it has just the beautiful, most natural coverage and it just stays on the face for the entire day. It's a really nice, long wearing, natural looking foundation and I just love it. The coverage is, I would say, medium coverage. I have a full review video on this one as well if you are interested. There are tons of liquid foundations in the market. Just look out for the coverage and the finish. You can get light coverage and dewy finish, light coverage, matte finish. You can get medium coverage, dewy, medium coverage, matte. So just look out for the finish and the coverage and you should be good to go. Next we have cream foundations. These may not be as popular as liquid foundations among the general makeup lovers, but they are quite popular among pro makeup artists who use these a lot. These are usually thicker, creamier, a little bit heavier, and they will usually give a medium to full coverage. These are actually great for normal to dry skin and they give a natural finish on the skin. I have one of them, one palette like that. I bought this when I was doing the makeup artistry course. Yes, I am a certified makeup artist, so I have two RCMA palettes and I love using them all the time. I use them a lot during my regular life. I use them as foundation, as concealer, just an overall kind of a makeup product. I can use these as contour bronzer product as well because I have the deeper palette too. These work out great. They are very creamy. They blend out really nicely and they give a nice medium to full coverage. you can actually build these up quite a lot, and I believe most of these cream products will give you a much higher coverage than your liquid foundations. They are very travel friendly as well. I have never done a video on these palettes. If you are interested to see a demo of these products, then let me know. I can film a video for you, but I personally use these a lot in my regular life. Next in line we have powder foundations. If you have oily skin type or you're looking for something for quick touch-ups, then I will recommend powder foundations. They give you a soft matte to matte finish, and they usually have a light to medium coverage. They help in oil control as well. You can wear the powder foundation on its own, or you can wear it on top of a liquid foundation for that extra coverage and oil control. I personally don't have too many powder foundations. I have one which is a pretty old one from Fenty Beauty. This is usually how they look like. They look like a powder compact, but on the packaging you may notice that it is written powder foundation. They will have a slightly bit more coverage than your regular compact powder. I don't have a latest example for you guys, but this is what I have from Fenty, and I think it worked out great for me. It is very good for oil control, and the finish of this one is not utterly matte. It's a soft matte finish, and for my dry skin it works as well, but I will recommend powder foundations mainly for oily skin type. I have the shade 345 and I think it matched me pretty well. 345, it came with a sponge inside too, so it's pretty convenient, travel friendly. I think everyone should have a powder foundation like this. It's very easy for touch-ups. I have dry skin, but still I will recommend you to have at least one powder foundation in your makeup collection. Next we are going to talk about stick foundations. Stick foundations are great for on the go. They are creamy, easy to blend, and usually they'll give you a medium to full coverage. It's very easy to apply. Just swipe on your face, blend it out and build it up whenever needed. They are especially good for people with normal to dry skin types. Stick foundations are one of my favorite kind of foundations, and if you have dry skin or normal skin, combo skin, you should definitely try stick foundations. Very travel friendly. I have two of them. I have other videos where I have shown you different stick foundations. I have two of them to show you right here. These two are my favorite. This is the Huda Beauty stick foundation, the Faux filter. I have the shade Toffee. This is just the perfect match for me. This one is a more medium coverage stick foundation, and I have the Hourglass stick foundation in the shade Warm Honey, which is a more medium to full or a high coverage stick foundation. I love both this foundation. They blend effortlessly and they give such a nice natural makeup look. Even though this one is a high coverage, it will give you a natural makeup look, and I just love the convenience factor of stick foundations. Definitely recommend you to try. Let's talk about serum foundations next. If you're someone who loves skincare and makeup in one, then serum foundations are for you. These are lightweight, breathable, and are packed with skincare ingredients. The finish is usually natural or dewy, glowy, and the coverage is sheer to light or light to medium depending on the brand which you are using. These foundations may also work out better for someone with normal to dry skin, but it depends on the foundation brand. Some may work out for oily skin type as well. I have a classic example in the serum foundation with me. This is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. This is an extremely sheer coverage foundation, but with a lot of skincare ingredients. It is in a dropper form like this, and I just love the ingredients which are in here. This is a clean beauty brand, no preservatives, no fragrance, nothing, just a simple skincare serum which is tinted slightly for a everyday friendly, natural, glowy, dewy look. I have another serum foundation with me. This is the MAC Studio Radiance. This also is packed with skincare ingredients, gives a slight natural radiance to the skin, and this one is not that light coverage. You can say this is a more light to medium coverage serum foundation. So both of these foundations are great if you are someone who is looking for foundation with some skincare. Very similar to serum foundations, we have skin tints or tinted moisturizers. These are also light coverage formulas which are just perfect for everyday. They may or may not be infused with skincare ingredients, so I am putting them in a separate category. But nowadays many skin tints are also infused with skincare ingredients. I have two skin tints to show you which I really love. I have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. This is the serum skin tint, so this is infused with a lot of skincare. I have recently done a video on this one. This is an absolutely amazing skin tint, and it gives just a beautiful glow hydrated look to the skin, and it's perfect for everyday. Another one which is just perfect for everyday is the L'Oreal True Match Skin Tint. This also has hyaluronic acid, so it has some skincare ingredients in it too. I have a video on this as well. Most of the products which I'm showing you today, I have review videos on them, so I will leave all the videos in the description box if you want to check out more about these products. So if you have dry skin, normal skin, combo skin, and you want something very natural for everyday wear, skin tints or tinted moisturizers are ideal. Next in our list are cushion foundations. Popularized by Korean beauty, these foundations have been quite the rage, especially after the viral Tinted foundation, the red viral Tinted foundation. I have both the versions. This is the first or the original version, and this is the glowy version. The formula is a little bit different. This one is more transfer resistant, a little bit more higher coverage. This one is not as transfer resistant and the coverage is less and it is more glowy. So there is a difference in the formula, but I love both of them and they have worked out great for me. I have video on both of these if you are interested to check out. So cushion foundations are basically compact foundations which have, I will open it and show you. So there is a puff right here and there is a foundation soaked sponge inside. Okay, so here is a sponge which has liquid foundation inside and you're supposed to use the puff and apply it on your face. This is supposed to give you a light to medium coverage, but the formula of this one is a little bit different. This one you can build up and get a pretty high coverage, but most of the cushion foundations are supposed to give you a light to medium coverage, more natural looking one. This one on the other hand will give you a more higher, almost a full coverage formula. This one is more natural, more dewy. So it depends which kind of cushion foundation you're looking for. There are different kind of finishes in cushion foundation. They mostly give a radiant finish, but this one gives a more natural finish. This one has a glowy finish. So nowadays there are different types of cushion foundations, but I think these are very travel friendly, very compact, very easy to work with. You just have to find the right shade for you. Before the Tinted foundation, it was very difficult to find deeper shades in cushion foundations, but Tinted came with a bang with so many different shades. So if you're close to my skin tone or your deeper skin tone, then I am certain that you might find a shade in this Tinted foundation and can try out a cushion foundation. So whether you like a full glam makeup look or a barely there kind, there is a foundation type out there for you. Do let me know in the comments which is your go-to foundation type, or if you learned something new today. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're watching me for the first time, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.